dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Let me get you on your dancing beat. Hi everyone.
Say hi, Scarlett.
Hi.
Scarlett's 4 years old. Let's get started.
And Scarlett always turns the sink on.
Scarlett does always turn the sink on. Okay, so what are our ingredients, Scarlett? What do we have here?
Okay, flour, chocolate chips, walnuts, eggs, and sugar,
Sugar,
brown sugar,
baking soda,
baking soda, and
baking powder.
baking powder,
That makes nice, soft, fluffy cookies. What do we have right here?
eggs,
And vanilla
vanilla,
and salt.
salt,
What's this?
butter,
Butter. All right.
and butter.
And butter. And we're going to mix those all up and do cookies.
What?
Chocolate chip cookies
Chocolate chip cookies.
with walnut.
So subscribe if you like this video at the end.
Awesome, Scarlett. All right, let's put these ingredients in our mixer. Okay, Scarlett, we're gonna put our ingredients in the bowl. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
We're gonna mix together the butter and all the sugars for 30 seconds, okay?
I can't believe I'm filming an actual video.
Can you put the sugars in the bowl?
We never did this before, so we're doing it today. And Mary Beth and Rosemary haven't been here until today and last day. I think they're liking
You
it.
think so? I bet they're gonna love it, honey. Can you put the sugars in the bowl? All right,
Let's
that's
do first.
half a cup of sugar. You gotta tell them what the ingredients are.
A half a cup of sugar,
And how many cups of brown sugar?
1.
That's right.
I saw that because it had a number 1 on it.
Yeah, that's right. You don't have to touch it. Can you put the butter in? Put the butter in. Just drop it on in there.
It's a little multy.
Yeah, it's okay. You can use the paper and just throw it in if you want. But take the paper off. Good job. Do the other one.
I could take the paper, then get the butter out, and then squeeze the paper, and then voila!
Good job. Okay, what are we gonna do with this, Scarlett? We're gonna mix it in the mixer with the paddle attachment for how many
Yes.
minutes?
4.
All right, and then we will add some more ingredients, okay?
Yeah.
We'll be right back.
Yes.
1 teaspoon of salt, right?
1 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, dump it in.
And 1 teaspoon of
Baking soda.
baking soda.
Good job, Scarlett.
and 2 teaspoons of corn
Starch.
starch.
Excellent.
And 1
One.
teaspoon.
Yeah, 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of what's it called?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Good job,
And
Scarlett.
then 2 eggs.
2 eggs. That's your favorite part, huh? Give it a good crack, babe. There you go. Ooh, did you get any shells in? I don't see any.
Maybe.
Maybe? Let's have a look. No shells. That was a good crack. All right, do the next one. Good crack. There you go. Dump it in. Whoa, good job.
There's maybe one.
No, I don't see. Oh, wait, just a little one right there, but we'll get it out, okay? So what are we gonna do next?
Yeah, I saw that one. It's okay though.
Yeah, so what are we gonna do next, Scarlett?
Oh, there's a little more.
A little more, dump the rest of that in. We don't want to forget it. Okay, so we're gonna mix this for 1 minute until it's all smooth in our mixer, okay?
Oh, there it is. Oh, look.
Help me pour this in, honey. A little bit at a time, okay? We don't want to do too much. All right, let's see how that
I'm not going
does.
to eat any of that.
No, because that's not good all by itself, huh? Nope.
But mixing it is so good. Oh, look at it. That cookie dough.
Here, let's pour this in, okay? All right, it's all in. What do those cookies look like?
They're looking good.
They are looking good, huh? All right. So we're gonna mix this for a little bit, and then we're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients, which is the chocolate chips and the walnuts.
I hope Sammy's down there saying, "Woohoo, that's my friend Scarlett." Yeah, we know her name. She told us it.
All right, honey, let's check our dough.
It's looking good.
Looking good. It's almost there.
Now that in our mixer, our cookie dough is almost all the way mixed. We're gonna put the chocolate chip and our walnuts in. Mommy, I'm gonna put the chocolate chips in.
Okay, ready? Let's dump our ingredients in.
Mom, that's good.
All right, honey, that's all the chocolate chips.
Let me do the walnuts.
Okay. Look at all those walnuts.
Let's check it.
Ooh,
It looks like it's done.
I think it might be.
Turn it off.
Turn it to 0. Nice job. We
Can
like
I
to
get
use
the
an
ice
ice cream scoop for our cookies
Can
because
I do the ice cream?
I got it. It's over here, babe. Come here. Scarlett, come this
Can I
way.
grab it?
Do you want to sit over there and scoop the cookies?
Yeah.
Sounds like a good idea.
Let's do it.
Drop it on the sheet
It looks like ice cream.
It sure does. That would make such yummy cookie dough ice cream. Good job, Scarlett. Do 3 in a row, okay?
This. Three scoops. Oh, could you help that? Wait.
That looks really good, Scarlett.
There. It looks like a fancy dress in the head.
It does.
Maybe if we put them on top of each other, it would look like a pretty human.
Maybe.
I hope you did that already. Okay. There. You pulled this side to get it out of there.
That's good teaching, Scarlett.
Did you drop your cookie?
Alright.
It's smelling really good.
Kiss.
Oh, oh. It's a little too much. There. I think I'll need that scooched. Oh.
Good job. Okay, let's scoot it a little bit right here. So it's lined up in the middle.
Can I taste it? Mmm, yummy. Tastes like flour dough.
I hope not.
I'm just kidding. It tastes like dough with flour and cookie doughs.
That sounds excellent
With chocolate chips.
with chocolate chips. How many stars would you give this cookie, Scarlett?
Like 15.
15 star cookies? Well, I guess everyone's just gonna have to try them then, aren't they?
Mary Beth,
Yeah.
Rosemary, did you do that one?
I think Beth did. I think I did this one.
Oh. It's okay if you girls forgot or not. It's okay if you did too. You can do the first one on the next one.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, one chocolate chip is a little bit lemony. Oh, maybe that's a walnut.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Whoa. A little more big scoop.
You're so good at this, Scarlett.
I know I am. It's kind of hard.
Okay, we're gonna finish scooping up our cookies and then we'll be right back when we put them in the oven.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 cookies.
Awesome. And how long are we gonna bake those cookies for?
9 minutes.
9 minutes at how many degrees? 400?
400.
Now, I'm gonna be really super careful, right? Alright.
I don't want to get like right there, so because I'll get kind of burnt.
Yeah, you will definitely get kind of burnt. That's why Mommy puts the cookies in the oven, huh? Or Daddy. Whoever's there that's an adult. We always have to be safe, right?
Yeah, that's why you do this.
Oh my goodness, that looks really good. Can you take a big bite? You like that cookie?
Guys, there's Nova. And that's the girl I told you. Her name was Nova at the end.
Is that good?
I'm playing that song.
Is that a good cookie, honey?
Subscribe down low or up top or the sides.
I think the word you're looking for is subscribe.
Or subscribe to the bottom or top.
Okay. Dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend. Back in town again.